In this video, the chapter number 2nd of class 6, and that is factors and multiples. In the last video, we have completed question number 7 and 8 of exercise 2b. So now let's see the next question. So question number next is 9, and question number 9 is test the divisibility of the following number by 10. So इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर किसकी चेक करेंगे? नंबर 10. So rule is test of divisibility by 10. So a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Okay, so ones digit is 0. अगर किसी भी गिवन नंबर्स के अंदर अगर वंस डिजिट्स या लास्ट डिजिट्स अगर 0 है, सो वो नंबर 10 से क्या होगा? डिविजिबल. ओके, और कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर, बस आपको लास्ट चेक करना का वंस डिजिट या लास्ट डिजिट अगर 0 है, सो जो गिवन नंबर है वो 10 से डिविजिबल होगा. ओके, एंड फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 5790. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 5790. सो वंस डिजिट इज 0. वंस digit is 0. So once digit is 0, and rule test of divisibility by 10. So a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. So 0 is 0, same. So therefore given number 5790 is divisible by 10. एंड दिस इज आंसर. ओके, ओनली फॉर लास्ट वंस डिजिट्स को चेक करना है. अगर 0 आ रहा है तो डिविजिबल है 10 से, अदरवाइज अदर डिजिट्स आ रहे हैं तो वो 10 से नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 10. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकेंड पार्ट, एंड नेक्स्ट सेकेंड पार्ट इज 63,215. नेक्स्ट है 63,215. सी द वंस डिजिट्स. सो वंस डिजिट इज 5. So one's digit is 5. So one's digit is 5. So therefore given number 63,215 is not divisible by 10, and this is answer. Okay students, so second parts 63,215. So 63,215 is not divisible by 10. Okay, next third part is 55,555. So next part है 55,555. So see the ones digits of given number. So ones digit is 5. One's digit is 5. So therefore given number 55,555 is not divisible by 10, and this is answer. Okay students, so question number 9 is complete, and next question number 10. So student, next question number 10, and question number 10 is test the divisibility of the following number by 11. So next question में कौन से नंबर की चेक करेंगे? 11. So rule is test of divisibility by 11. So a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit in odd place and the sum of its digit in even place starting from the ones place is either 0 or a multiple of 11. So a number is divisible by 11. अगर कोई भी नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल है तो उनका जो डिफरेंस है ऑड प्लेस, सम ऑफ ऑड प्लेस एंड सम ऑफ इवन प्लेस. ओके, अगर डिफरेंस 0 अदरवाइज 11 का मल्टीपल्स है, सो वो जो गिवन नंबर होगा वो 11 से क्या होगा? डिविजिबल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पार्ट है 4334 and answer is, so first of all check the sum of its digits in odd places. So first 1 2 3 and 4, first place, second place, third place, fourth place. Okay, so sum of its digits in odd place. So odd place is 1 and 3, so odd place is 1 and 3. Okay, and even places 2 and 4. Okay, so odd places 1 and 3, so 1 के नीचे number is 4 and 3 places के number नीचे number is 3. Okay, so sum of its digits. So first of sum of its digits in odd places. So first odd place 1 के नीचे number is 4 plus second odd place is 3 and 3 के नीचे 3. So sum 4 plus 3 7. Okay, next the sum of its digits in even places. Sum of its digits in even places. So first even places 2 के नीचे number is 3 plus second even places 4 and 4 के नीचे 4. So sum is 3 plus 4 7. Okay, and a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum, so difference of these sums. So difference of these sums, so first sum 7 minus second sum 7, 7 minus 7 0. So the difference is either 0, yes 0. Okay, so therefore given number 4334 is divisible by 11 and this is answer. Okay students, so the difference of this sum 0 और a multiple of 11. Okay, so difference अगर 0 और 11 का multiples हो तो जो given number होगा वो 11 से क्या होगा, divisible. Okay, so students next second part, and next second part is 83,721. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर है 83,721. सो सेम प्रोसेस, सॉल्यूशन इज द सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट्स इन ऑड प्लेसेस. सो ऑड प्लेसेस स्टार्टिंग 1 2 3 4 5 प्लेसेस लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज राइट साइड से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन से लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट किया था, इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर राइट साइड से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो 1 प्लेसेस, सेकेंड प्लेसेस, थर्ड प्लेसेस, फोर्थ प्लेसेस एंड फिफ्थ प्लेसेस. ओके, सो सम ऑफ इट्स डिजिट्स इन ऑड प्लेसेस. सो ऑड प्लेसेस 1 3 and 5. Odd number is 1 3 5. So 1 3 and 5th places, odd places. So 1 के नीचे number is 1 plus second odd places 7, 3 के नीचे 7 plus next odd places 5th and number is 8. Okay, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16. So sum of its digits in odd places equal to 16. Say next, sum of its digits in even places. सो इवन प्लेसेस, फर्स्ट इवन प्लेसेस, सेकंड एंड 2 के नीचे 2 प्लस नेक्स्ट इवन प्लेसेस, फोर्थ प्लेसेस एंड नीचे नंबर इज 3 एंड नेक्स्ट कोई भी नहीं है, सो ओनली फॉर 2 नंबर्स, 2 + 3 5. So sum of its digits in odd places is 16. Sum of its digits in even places is 5 and difference of these sums equal to, so first sum is 16, difference minus second sum 5. 16 minus 5 11 and 11 which is divisible by 11. So therefore given number 83,721 is divisible by 11 and this is answer. Okay students, so difference of these sums equal to 11 and 11 is divisible by 11, yes, so therefore given number is divisible by 11. Okay, next third part is 66,311. So next third part is 66,311 and answer is, so same process. So first of all sum of its digits in odd places. Okay, so starting left side से 1 2 3 4 and 5th. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5th places. So odd places 1 3 and 5, 1 3 and 5. So 1 के नीचे number is 6, so first number 6, second odd 3 and next odd 1. So sum is 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. Okay, so sum of its digits in odd places is 10. Next sum of its digits in even places. So even places 6 and 1, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, next difference of these sums equal to first sum 10, difference minus second sum 7. 10 minus 7 equal to 3 and 3 is not divisible by 7, 11, so which is not divisible by 11. So therefore given number 66,311 is not divisible by 11 and this is answer. Okay students, so third part is 66,311 is not divisible by 11. Okay, and next fourth is 1,37,269. Okay, so next fourth is 1,37,269 and same process. So first of all sum of its digits in odd places equal to, so odd places 1 2nd 3rd 4th 5th and 6th. Okay, so odd places 1 3 and 5th. Okay, so odd places, first number is 3, 1 plus second odd places 7 plus next odd places 6, and sum is 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14. Next, sum of its digits in even places. Okay, so first even places 3, second even places 2, next even places 9. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 14. Okay, next difference of these sums equal to, so first sum is 14, difference minus second sum is 14, and 14 minus 14 equal to 0. So the difference is either 0, okay, or a multiples of 11. So yes, the difference of this sum is 0. So therefore given number 1,37,269 is divisible by 11, and this is answer. Okay students, and next fifth is 9,01,351. Next fifth is 9,01,351, and same process. So first of all, sum of its digits in odd places. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so odd places 1 3 5. So first odd places 9 plus second odd places 1 plus next odd places 5. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. Next, sum of its digits in even places equal to, so first even places 2 0 plus second even places 4 plus 3 and next even places 1. 0 plus 3 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so next, difference of these sums equal to, so first sum is 15 minus second sum is 4. 15 minus 4 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. Yes, so which is divisible by 11. So therefore given number 9,01,351 is divisible by 11, and this is answer. Okay students, so fifth part 9,01,351 is divisible by 11. Okay, and last part is 87,90,322. So next last part is 87,90,322, and same process. So first of all, sum of its digits in odd places. equal to, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so odd places 1 3 5 and 7. So first odd digits is odd places digit is 8 plus next 9 plus next 3 plus next last 2, and sum is 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 3 17 plus 3 20 plus 2 22. So sum is 8 plus 9 17 3 20 2 22. Next, sum of its digits in even places. So first digit 7 plus next digits 0 plus 7 0 and last 2. 7 plus 0 7 plus 2 9. Sum is 9, and next difference of these sums. So first sum is 22 minus second sum is 9. Okay, so 22 minus 9 equal to 13. So sum is 13, and 13 is not divisible by 11. So which is not divisible by 11. So therefore given number 87,90,322 is not divisible by 11, and this is answer. Okay, so now last part, 87,90,322 is not divisible by 11. Okay students, so question number 10 is complete, and next question number 11 in next class. Okay.